Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change data column to raw in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first open your Excel document. Firstly then we show the Excel sheets is the column text, this column data, this change the column data to raw. Firstly select your any column data. Now for select, now click for the mouse right button option, then click for the copy. That's okay. Then for select, then since the raw is the any raw for option, now for click, now click for the mouse right button option, now for click, then paste option is the transport option, now for click. That's okay. Then show the since data column to raw. So again another option document, select your columns data option, now mouse right button option, now click for the copy option, then any raw raw click, now mouse right button option, now for click, then paste of the position option, now click for the transport option. That's okay. Then show the sense data column to raw in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for